Hello learners, today's lesson is about use of who, which, whose, when and where. Who. Who is used after a person or people. Which is used after animal and things. Whose. Whose means who has. It's a possessive form. When. When is used after time. And where is used after place. The first question, I like the children. Children is a person or people, so the answer is who. I saw the car dash hit the girl. The car is a thing, so the answer is which. Next, that is the man who dash car is black. It's a possessive form. Who has. Who has means whose. Who has means whose. And the next one. I remember the day dash we first met. Day is a time. So the answer is when. Next, that is the hospital. Dash I was born. Hospital is a place. So the answer is where. And the next one, I know the man. Dash is very honest. It is for you. Please send it the right answer in the comment box. Thank you for the watching this video. If you like it, please like it and share it to your friends and your well wishers. Thank you, many thanks for your watching this video. Well, thank you all of you. Thanks a lot.